What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is my version of makeup for college and office. Now there are a few things which I've done different in this tutorial guys. This is a super long lasting makeup, so there are certain hacks and tips and tricks. Also all the products which I've used in this makeup tutorial are under $1,000. You'll find all the links in the description box below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, let's begin. The first product which I'm going to use is this. This is Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. It's actually a really good drugstore primer. I know I used it in my last tutorial, nude makeup tutorial as well. But I really like it guys. It's very nice. After using the primer, I'm going to take NYX Dewy Setting Spray and apply it on my skin. Now I know you must be wondering why we are applying a makeup fixer before doing the makeup. If you use a makeup fixer before applying your base, it just makes your makeup all the more long lasting. And this is a hack which really works. So yeah, I'm just going to spray a little bit of makeup fixer on my face. Then I'm going to let it dry completely on the skin. Once the makeup fixer is completely dry, I'm going to take Take Cover Concealer. I am in the shade Butterscotch and I'm going to apply it on certain darker areas of my skin. Once I've applied the concealer everywhere, wherever I've got a little bit of redness or darkness, I'm going to take PAC 219 concealer brush and blend it. I always mention this in my videos. Whenever you're blending the concealer under your eyes, you should always dab it and not drag the brush. Also run the brush through your eyelids. Do not apply extra concealer on your eyelids, just kind of run the brush through. Once this step is done, you need to use a powder or a compact which gives a little bit of coverage, and today I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm still kind of looking for a really good and natural looking drugstore compact guys. If you have any suggestions, then please do let me know in the comment section. So first I'm going to take the same concealer brush, take a little bit of powder and apply it under my eyes, on my eyelids as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the powder all over my face, like dust my face with a little bit of powder with a powder brush. This is just a random brush from Shein guys. So yeah, what I do is I take a little bit of powder on the brush, then I dust it and then lightly start applying it on my skin. I'm again saying that you can use your favorite compact to do this step. You don't have to use this loose powder. I'm just using it because I've still not found a drugstore compact which I really like. Alright, so you can see, right, this powder does give a bit of coverage and it kind of, gives an even tone to your makeup. Even if you're not using foundation, it works pretty well. Okay, after this is done, we'll move on to eyebrows. I'm going to use NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows downwards. After that, I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps. Alright, I'll quickly finish the other one and get back to you. After this, we'll move on to blush. Now guys, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but when I think about a regular everyday makeup for college or office, I do not really see contouring products or, as a matter of fact, even highlighter being used in that kind of a makeup. Back then when I was in college, if I used a lot of bronzer and contouring products, and if I used a lot of highlighter, my professors would have definitely flipped. Now I totally don't know what the trend is right now with college kids. I do know a lot of girls like to wear a full face of makeup when they go to college, but for me, on a personal level, I prefer to keep it simpler, and I just feel that, you know, on a regular everyday basis, you cannot really use so much of contour or bronzer or highlighter. Like, realistically, you can't. It looks really good on the camera, but when you meet somebody in an office or in a college wearing all of that, it can look a bit too much. Unless there's a function happening in your college or at your workplace, then you can go all out. But yeah, according to me, on a regular basis, maybe contouring and bronzing and highlighting is something that you can definitely skip. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm not saying that my words are engraved in stone and I'm never going to change my opinion about it. If there's any trend going on, or you know, if there's anything new going on, then just let me know, guys. Let me know. I'll make another tutorial according to how you like to do your makeup for college and office. Enough chit chat. Now moving on to blush. I'm going to use a Sugar Face Forward blush stick. This is in the shade Mauve Marble. It's a creamy blush stick, guys, and it's a very nice natural looking color. So I'm going to use this brush from ProArt. It is PE12 brush, and I'm going to take a bit of blush on the brush and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Going to apply a little bit of blush on my nose as well. It just gives a little bit of a nice flushed look. I'm again going to take my powder brush, take a little bit of powder, dust it, and kind of tone this down a little. Since it's a creamy blush, the step kind of sets it also. That's it. Now going back to my eyes, I'm just going to use a simple kajal and mascara, guys. For kajal, I'm going to use this Smoky eye kajal from Colorbar. It's a really good kajal. I've been using it for a very long time, guys, and it's just really nice. Stays on the waterline for a very long time. I'm going to apply the kajal on my upper waterline and lower waterline. If you're not really a kajal person, then you can skip this step. You can just apply the kajal on your upper waterline and follow it up with a mascara or an eyeliner, like whatever you like to use. When I was in college, I used to use a lot of kajals, guys. So that's why I just thought that I'll include kajal in this tutorial. Now for mascara, I'm going to use NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is also a really good mascara. It doesn't get clumpy and stuff, and it looks quite natural on your eyelashes. For lips today, I'll be using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Self Starter. This is seriously one of the most long-lasting lipsticks that I know. I also did a wear test with it for about 10 hours and it did not budge even with meals or drinks, which makes it perfect for office or college wear. Now, there's a little bit of a trick to apply it though. You're not supposed to press your lips after you apply it. So I'll just apply and then tell you. On, we have this tendency to press our lips, but that is exactly what you're not supposed to do with this. You're supposed to apply it and then let it dry up on its own. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes for it to completely dry up, but once it dries, trust me on this, it just stays all day long. Now, as the last and final step, I'm going to again take the NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Fixer and just spritz it on my face to make the makeup even more solid. I'm just going to let it dry up. And that's it, guys. This is my super simple, super practical makeup for college and office. Of course, as I told you earlier, you can correct me and let me know if you use more products when you do your makeup for your office or your college, like highlighters and contouring products and all. I can always make another version of this video. But according to me, this is of course very practical. It looks very natural on the skin. And this makeup fixer is a hero. It also gives you like a little bit of dewy effect on the skin, and before you apply your makeup, when you spray your makeup fixer, it just makes it last all day long. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and also throw in some suggestions what kind of tutorials you want to watch. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you can check out my Instagram handle as well. I'll pin a comment in the comment section below. You can check the link out. If you like my content there, then you can give me a follow there. And also, if you did like this video, then please leave it a like, guys. It really helps us in growing our community. We're trying to build a family here. And if you have not subscribed to our channels already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels: Hindi, English and Bengali, and we're working really hard to grow a nice, happy and positive community here. So your support would mean the world to us. Please hit that red button and stay tuned. On that note, I'm going to sign off for now, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.